Okay, so are you ready for this? Let's dive deep into the Ottocast A2 Air Pro.
Oh,
We're
yeah.
talking wireless Android Auto.
Yeah, this thing is supposed to make our lives a whole lot easier in the car.
No more cords, no more plugging and unplugging, just get in and go. That's the dream.
Right, exactly. I mean, don't you hate those cables always getting tangled up?
Ugh, the worst. But hold on, will this even work in my car? I don't have some fancy new model.
Well, the A2 Air Pro says it's compatible with a wide range of vehicles. Pretty impressive.
I know, I was surprised too. So walk me through this. How easy is the setup?
They say it's super simple, like plug and play easy.
Okay, I'm listening.
You just plug it into your car's USB port, and it connects to your phone using 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi.
Makes sense. So no Bluetooth, why Wi-Fi?
Well, for a couple of reasons. First, it's way faster than Bluetooth, so, everything runs smoother.
So no lag.
Exactly, no lag. And second, it's more stable, so you get that crystal clear audio and smooth navigation.
Got it. So basically, a better overall experience. What about connecting every time I get in the car?
They thought of that. It connects automatically when you start your car.
No kidding.
Yep. No more fiddling with settings or anything.
Pretty slick. I was also checking out the design. It's really small and discreet.
Right, it's not going to clutter up your car or anything.
Exactly. It's kind of cool to think about. We're really stepping into the future of connected cars.
No, right? And this is just the beginning.
But what do you think about the bigger picture? I mean, cars are getting more and more connected to our digital lives. Is that a good thing?
It's a great question. There are definitely pros and cons.
Right. Like, on one hand, it can reduce distracted driving.
Yeah.
I mean, if you can control everything hands-free.
Yeah, that's a big plus. But then there's the potential for new distractions. Like if we become too reliant on in-car technology.
It's a double-edged sword for sure.
It is.
So, listeners, let's recap. If you're looking to upgrade your Android Auto experience, the Ottocast A2 Air Pro could be a game changer. No more cords, seamless connectivity, and a sleek design.
And it gives us a peek into the future of driving. But here's a final thought. As wireless technology advances, how else will it transform our cars and our driving experiences? It's something to ponder as we hit the road.
Absolutely. Thanks for joining us for this deep dive into the Ottocast A2 Air Pro.
Thanks for having me.